concerned with this decision of the government for sale of RINL. There is a saying of a Telugu poet I would like to tell, Shri Gurajada Apparao. This is how he is told about. He said, Deshamante mati kadoi, Deshamante manushyalo. I can't pronounce properly, but it means that nation means not the soil, but nation means its citizens. I would further add from the trade union side that it means its nation means its citizens. It also means the national and natural resources. It also means the national assets created by citizens. Citizens give services, they do production, they create wealth, they do the national development. So this is what nation is. And today we are concerned that most of our public sector, in the production, in the service sector, across the board, they all are put on sale. And we think this is not in the interest of nation. If we are talking of nation, then it is not in the interest of citizens, it is not in the interest of nation that its own assets created and the wealth created by the people and the development through those creation of those national assets, that development is dismantled. So we think that this is a dismantling process and we need to stop this dismantling process, and that's why we are here. We have been opposing the disinvestment and privatization of almost all the public sectors, strategic or non-strategic, profit-making or non-profit-making. One could discuss as far as non-profit-making is concerned, how to revive those, what should be the alternative methods, and not to wind up those sectors which are important in the nation's economic development. Here I also want to say that Visakhapatnam steel plant has caught the imagination of people of Andhra Pradesh. When Andhra and Telangana were together, it was a long battle in which 32 youngsters sacrificed their lives in firing, and ultimately this plant could be achieved by the people. Is it only RINL plant somewhere in Visakhapatnam and no concern of Andhra people? No. Every public sector contributes to the development to the vicinity of the area. Every public sector gives safe job opportunities. Every public sector is in a position to have a generational effect and impact. And we find that the youngsters who studied, the children of the families of those who were working in public sector, they got settled in life, and this became a continuum sort of a thing, a triggering impact that the citizens of our country were greatly being benefited. And here we also hear a slogan. Again, I cannot pronounce it correctly, but the people of Andhra Pradesh, how they have been speaking, and even Telangana people speaking, because they were together when they were fighting for this pride for Andhra to have this steel plant to be there. And they say that Telugu vari Hrudaya Spandanoy. But before that they say Visakha steel plant ante Peda Yantralu Kadoi. This is how I could understand that it is not only machines or instruments, it is Hirday, ye dil hai Andhra ke logon ka. So this saying in Telugu, we feel that this has really caught the imagination of people, and the people are there on the field. We think this pride of Telugu people is not only pride of Telugu people, it is a matter of steel plant to be in the public sector. It is a matter of safeguarding almost all our public sectors which are important for our life. But what we are finding, yesterday itself we found that despite a very successful strike on 18th by insurance people, LIC people, and before that GIC people on 17th, before that 2 days 15 and 16 banks going on strike, 4 days finance sector strike, is actually showing the mood of the working class in India. They are telling, don't sell our national assets, don't sell our national resources, don't privatize them, and especially the finance sector, why do you want to privatize? So heavy industry, the basic industry, the exploration, creation of wealth through ore industry, all that is important, and that is being put on stake. And here we are to extend our support. All of us will be speaking in very brief few sentences, so I also want to set the tone when others can take over, that we will extend all support as far as trade unions are concerned to the movement being launched by the people of Andhra. It's not only the trade union battle, it has gone beyond, and we recognize it. We have our role to play as trade unions, but we know all those farmers who gave their land, they do not want, because their ancestors' land they gave. They gave land for this great RINL to come into being. So it is their concern also. It is concern of those who benefited out of this. It is concern of those till today they are waiting for rehabilitation. 8,000 and all odd persons among all those who were registered, still there are people. It's a concern of not only 1 lakh people who are benefiting out of it, regular employees, contract employees, outsource employees, but it is a question of all the people who benefited around this plant, all those businesses, trade, small shopkeepers, everybody's concern is there. And it's not only workers and farmers or traders or the other people, it has become a concern of younger generation, because today's youth here say that our youth of that time got this plant, and it is our responsibility today to defend this plant, and that's why it has caught the imagination of Andhra people. And we, the trade unions, are fully, steadfastly standing with the people of Andhra in safeguarding this. We need to go to any extent together to build up a strongest possible movement. Already we know big public meetings, big running shows, many kilometers, miles. You have conducted all those campaigns, and we are keeping a watch on all those campaigns. We are very sure that those campaigns. Good thing is that the political parties, all of them, almost everybody has extended support. MPs, MLAs have extended support. So if that is the situation, this pulse should be understood by the central government, when whole of people of Andhra, including political parties, trade unions, farmers, other bodies, everybody is not wanting this plant to be sold out and to be given to private sector, then why should central government should not be listening to this? We think they must listen to it, and they should see to it that their decision is withdrawn and the plant remains with the Visakhapatnam people, with the people of Andhra, and it remains in the public sector. That's what I would like to add. And now Comrade Tapan.